Hello guys, welcome back. So actually, the last video, it was actually at Pigeon Boy's house. Oh, by the way, Billy, who I'll be uploading another video soon. It's me with alandriast. Yes, you may know alandriast from such a channel. Hold on. Yes, you may know alandriast from Judsonato's channel. Also, I made a video with her not too long ago. Yeah, but then there was Billy, which is actually alandriast's sister. It's actually her last name. She's very embarrassed about it, though. But by the way, today I shall be doing a backyard review. Now, I might do a room review. If I can get to a total whopping 25 subscribers. I know, 9 more subscribers is a lot. Then I will do a room reveal. 50, I'll reveal the half of the house that my room is in. And 100, I'll do the kitchen. 250, living room. 500, I'll do a house tour. And then if I get to 1,000, which is gonna be amazing, I'll do a house tour. I'll do the entire house plus the front yard and backyard. And then if I can get to 5,000, we'll start letting Billy and alandriast's face be shown, and you might find out some shocking news. So you better be hitting that subscribe button. I know there was 1,000 of you who watched one of my other videos 3 years ago. But yeah, I know there was 1,000 of you. If you would all subscribe, we could get me a lot of those goals pretty fast. And actually, we might, and at that point, if me and Judsonato could both get to 1,000 subs and at least 5,000 likes total on any of the videos, but it has to be all in one video, we might both do another collab together and do a face reveal on it to his channel. But that'd be up to him. We'd have to see. But yeah, this video, since I've almost gotten to 20 and feeling like doing it a little early, I'll do a reveal of our dogs. And if I can get to 75, I'll do the cats next. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, first we have this little puppy. Yes, she's a puppy actually. She actually is a puppy. Hello. Her name is June. She's a girl. She's a golden lab. Next, we got 2 dogs over here. 2 of them. They're also both girls. We actually have 4 girls and 1 boy. And same with the cats. 2 girls, 1 boy. The yellow one over here, her name is Stella. She's a mix. And the brown one over here is Nevada. We actually got her first. She's the second oldest, actually. Despite us having got her first. It was a lie because we got another dog that had already had an owner. was a single pet, was a single dog. The owner had to go to a nursing home and could no longer take care of the pet. It's a pug, by the way. We actually have 2 pugs. The only boy dog is actually a pug. And then the girl dog, who's the oldest I'm talking about right now, is also a pug. And looking at that, they're both up here. Hold on. We're gonna do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, this is Pretzel, and this is Pugsley. Hey, buddy. This little guy right here is my dog. My father's dog, but she's growing close to me. Oh, she said so much. We actually have a few tomato plants. One time my dad grew his Carolina Reapers a little too close to the tomatoes, and it gave the tomatoes a little kick. Yeah, today I was gonna do a video with alandriast, but she decided she didn't want to come in today's video. Actually, I might check with her again. Well, alandriast, I just checked. She doesn't want to be in the video. Well, if she does, she'll be wearing a mask, obviously. Oh, I might do a face reveal for her. What was it? When was it? Oh, I might actually reveal my parents. That's 10,000 subscribers. And if this video gets 10 likes, I know that's a really high goal. The most likes that video has gotten is 9. 10 is really big. But if we get 10, I will see about making another collab. That's up to him, and that's also if we have time. Awesome. And if we can't do the collab, then we will instead make another IRL video. Probably with alandriast or Billy. Either one. Doesn't matter if it's alandriast or Billy. By the way, they're twins. So yes, they're gonna look alike. They also sell clothes. So don't be surprised if you see alandriast wearing one sort and then Billy wearing the next same sort another video. The twins, they sell clothes. Yeah. But yeah. This is my backyard. So technically I'm already kind of giving you a tour, but I'm not telling you where I am. And I'm also not going to the holy land, and also not letting you see hardly any of it. I'll give you an in-depth tour. Later on. Once we reach our goal. I've already forgotten the goals. But, so this may change. But, you'll find out as the videos go on. Oh! By the way, by the time this video is out, the double upload will probably, I'm already gonna, oh, it's crazy, I got a triple upload. One of them was an old video. It was my very first video. It was set on private though. But yeah, it was my first ever video. First ever. Actually, you know what? I'll tell you a little bit about all pets in a second. I'm gonna be heading inside. I'll cut to when I'm in the room. In my room. Alright, hold on. Actually, I'll head.
Oh yeah, buddy.
What?
I'm sure I might have something for you to do on the computer over there.
Okay. Well, anyways, I'm heading to my room right now. Might even make a try not to laugh video sometime soon. Depends. Okay. I'm in my room right now. I'm trying not to show much of anything. Okay. So, I'll tell you first. We'll start with the Nevada. We're gonna start from by going with the one that we got the first and then last. Now there's a bunch of pets that we had gotten before I was even born, but we'll stop. So we have Lakin dead. She was a really good. She died of old age. She was a really good puppy dog. She's an adult now. Okay, then we got Susie. She was a year chihuahua. Something like that. Really nice. Loved her. She was a good puppy. She was so small. Yeah. Good little puppy. Then we got Sapphire. She went away, ate something bad, died of poisoning. I think we had another. Big puppy. Don't remember the name. She was a bad dog. Really bad dog. We had to get rid of her. Be quiet. I don't actually yet. So first, okay, then we got Pugs. It was adorable. And in Nevada, we actually got Nevada then Pugsley. Pugsley kicked out on the streets of a city by his owner. Left there, he was really well trained, potty trained, everything. Then he got parasites and whatnot. Then we got Stella. She's honestly worse than June, and June is a puppy. Stella, isn't anymore. Though she calmed down ever since she got June. But though Stella has been making June less calm and getting less calm herself. And we got Rachel, nickname. She's about 10 years old. Should be 11 soon. She's gonna die kidding. No, she's not. She won't for a while. Okay, so and then we got June. Been the favorite dog for a while. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget, here. I've been meaning to do this for quite a while. There's a lot of channels and I love them so much. And I actually don't know if this is something you can do. I forget. There's a few channels that you should probably check out. They're a lot of my favorite channels. Here. I guess you get to see a sneak peek at what I use to make most of my videos. Okay, so there's a few channels I would like you to see. Wrong thing. There's a few channels I would like you to check out. First of all, this. We got Visit the Gamer, how have you been at this? This guy, you can check out these guys, but I'm not so into them. This guy, he's actually been doing some series lately on Overkill, or Ultra Kill, I mean. And Speakable, pretty good. He's okay. Hold on. No. Okay. Here's some more. What? No. Oh, I don't know what that is. Also, check out Deck Blake, Kindly Keen too. Yeah, that's about all. Okay. Oh, hold on. He honestly makes a really good series. Bye! Oh wait, we also have a human let along going. What?